What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I will be sharing with you how you can compare two files to identify the differences using MobaExterm. So once you launch your MobaExterm, what you're going to do is go to Tools, select MobaDiff, browse for the file that you want to compare. So you're going to search for the first file. So I'm going to select this SQLnet.copy and I'm going to select the second file as SQLnet.aura and open, and then select OK. When you look at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the differences highlighted. So one file I have 33 and the other file I have just 3. So that's how you can use MobaExterm to detect differences in files. So if it was a larger file, you'll be definitely seeing more information. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.